Hey, what is going on? So today I picked up this one air conditioner off the street for free. It's been really dismal this year as far as finding air conditioners on the street. There's just hardly anything out there. I've only picked up one air conditioner so far off the street this year that was, resaleable. I picked up a few junky ones, and that's about it. It's kind of just a waste of time even going out and looking for them. So this is a General Electric, pretty big one. This has some damage on the grill. Looks like somebody dropped it on the corner down here, and this is cracked. Oh, this piece is broken in here. It doesn't stay on. So this is a 12,000 BTU, and it's from 2009. So yeah, I don't think I've ever had this one before. I may have had a smaller one of this type, but definitely not this big one. This had a sign on it that said it works, but that doesn't mean anything. I don't know why, but people tend to say things work when they really don't work, and it's happened to me a few times. I got the sun on this, so it's kind of hard to see. Oh, it came on. We're at 64. That's low and cool. It's a little cool coming out. It's getting cold. So it sounds okay. Yeah, no, they must have just, I don't know how they did that. They must have dropped it on the corner somehow. Might be able to fix this somehow. I'm gonna get one of those plastic welders, so maybe I could do some plastic welding on that. Yeah, I can't really see in here. I don't know what kind of compressor this has. It might be like a Quingen or something like that. I can't read that. Yeah, I don't know what that is. Yeah, so it sounds pretty good. It seems like it runs good. Yeah, it's definitely getting cold. I don't think it's fully cold yet. Yeah, this doesn't stay on. I took the screws out. Should come off. Yeah. Plastic doesn't even line up with the crack. There's There's no way you could glue that. That'd be a good thing to try the plastic welder on, see if that works. So hopefully I can patch this together and try to sell it cheap. 'Cause I'm not going to keep this. It's too big for me. Well, this is ice cold. Oh yeah, the whole coil's ice cold. It's got 3 rows of coils. They're kind of small though. So yeah, this definitely works. A little dent right here. That's not a big deal. Yeah, so I'll see if I can weld that crack back together. I'm not even going to try to fix this piece. It's broken off that post. I don't even try to fix stuff like that anymore, you know, it never works out. The glue never holds up well on this. Whatever kind of plastic this is, the glue never works out very well. So yeah, it runs pretty good. It's definitely cold. It doesn't feel like super cold like you would expect on a huge air conditioner. But it is putting out quite a bit. And it's definitely got a nice charge in it. This whole thing it's ice cold, the whole top to bottom. It's definitely not weak. There's not a big difference in the fan speeds. Yeah, they are working. I can hear the change. Yeah, there's not a huge difference in the speeds. So there you go. It's a 2009 General Electric. I will see you next time.